Hello everyone and welcome to Fresh Finds, where we're here to help you find products that are perfect for your brand. I'm Jason.
And I'm Mariah. Welcome back. It's nice to see you.
Yes.
What do you got?
Yeah, all right. Yeah, exactly. So today that I have the Refresh 6-pack lunch cooler. So these are pretty neat because they're exclusive to 4imprint. My favorite thing about this is hard coolers are nice and all that, and they obviously have a place and a time and all that, but I'm a big fan of soft coolers like this because when you're not using them, you just compact them down and they're good to go. You can throw them in a drawer or whatever.
Oh, for sure.
But they have this nice little padding on the inside, and then within that, I'll keep using this guy here. They have a nice little pebble-lined insert here, which is great for leaks and spills and all that. I don't know about you, Mariah, but I am not good with like leaks and spills. It's like, oh, I didn't put the cap on top of my soup, or oops, my water bottle was open. So it's usually never good with that. But it also makes it nice for rinsing and cleaning them out. There's a nice little strap on there, great for carrying or throwing in your backpack because it's not too big, nice little size here. And then on the front, there's like a nice little slip pocket, clear slip pocket, which is great for throwing, you can throw your phone in there, you could throw your bagged utensils, maybe even a little snack or something like that. It's it's a nice, great little cooler, bunch of different colors, and your imprint, so one color imprint right on the front too. So I'm a big fan of these.
Yeah, that's a great one. And what's kind of standing out to me already that I can see are the colors are kind of fun. It's not just the royal navy red. They're kind of trendier, more interesting, eye-catching colors, which is always a great twist when you're trying to get attention for your logo. Good pick. Yeah, I like that one.
What do you got over there, Mariah?
I have the corrugated plastic yard signs. I've been doing a lot of bike riding. I've been spending a lot of time outside, exploring my neighborhoods and stuff. And these are all over the place in people's yards. Businesses are using them. I've seen them for schools, kind of, giving a message of support to the students when they can't actually be in classes together. Businesses, or even just like really friendly, positive community messages.
Yeah, I love those.
So and that's just really the beginning, because you can obviously use them for many other things, business related. When you're directing people for, picking up orders or curbside, it's handy for that. And not to mention, we have elections coming up, a lot of local elections, all the way up to the big ones. So people are needing to communicate. Obviously, we're having to figure out different ways to do that right now. And this is a really good way to do that. So this option is 18 by 24 in size. So it's a nice, good size to get some eye-catching messages on. And it comes with a full color imprint, or you can get a one color imprint too. So you can really have just the right kind of canvas for your message.
Nice. Yeah, those are really great. Like you said, they've been all over. I've been going for a lot of walks as well, and kind of around me, there's a few restaurants that I like hitting up. Even like setting them out for like your daily specials or something like that, and just reminding people, hey, come on in. We have this going on. The other day I was going by this place and it was buy one get one margaritas, and I'm all about that life, so had to tell my wife. So they work great for that.
Nice. Yeah. Well, that's all we have for this time. Thanks again for joining us. Be sure to keep in touch with all of our channels, both on Facebook and on YouTube. Make sure you're subscribed and following so you can always be up to date on our latest Fresh Finds.
That's right, Mariah. And don't forget to tune in next time for more Fresh Finds. Cool. Good deal. I'm going to hit stop right. Oh, wait, let's clap. Let's try to clap. The end clap.
Boy. Okay, say 1, 2, 3, clap, and then clap on clap.
Sure. You do it, Mariah. You go for it.
1, 2, 3, clap.
I was late. That was me.
Oh, funny.
You'll get it in the same realm at least.
Yeah.
All right, I'm stopping it.
Okay.